I'm always looking for and rarely find is a skill-proof and fear-proof system. Tell me how many things that exist in your world that are skill-proof and fear-proof. Because if you find it, then you can get it all. It does, and I know it's the beginning of what it's going to do. It empowers a new person to be the best version of themselves quickly. They can be authentic, but they can be the best version of authentic really fast. Like in a day. They can create connection with the world when they didn't think they were going to be able to do it before. That makes me happy. What I've learned about business is all business is conversation. That's all it is. If you're in conversation, you're in business. If you're not in conversation, you're not in business. And most people have a quantity problem when it comes to conversations. They need to increase the number of conversations that they have. And not only will this help them authentically represent themselves to the world, but it will be a conversation starter. It'll look cool to their community. And so it'll be a conversation starter. It'll create engagement. It will help them respond to the people who are responding to their content. It'll help them identify who their tribe is and bring value to that tribe. Our GoPro event is coming up next week, December 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. December 1, 2, and 3. Day 1, we're going to be sharing this tool with people as well in order to be able to increase their recruitment. We're going to be sharing this tool with people as well in order to be able to increase their recruitment. We're going to be sharing this tool with people as well in order to be able to increase their recruitment.